Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to calculate the quantity of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate needed for M15 grade concrete. For M15 grade concrete, we use a mixed ratio of 1 part of cement, 2 parts of fine aggregate and 4 parts of coarse aggregate. If you are unfamiliar with concrete grades, I have already covered them in a separate video. You can check out. Let's say we want to calculate the materials needed for concrete slab with dimensions 50 feet in length, 30 feet in width and 6 inches thick, which is 0.5 feet. First we need to find the volume of the slab. This will be 50 into 30 into zero point 0.5, which equals 750 cubic feet. This is the wet volume. To get the dry volume, we multiply the wet volume by 1.54, giving us 1155 cubic feet. Now using this volume, we will calculate the quantity of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. Let's start with cement. The formula is ratio of cement divided by sum of ratios into dry volume. The cement proportion always stays 1 for every concrete grade. The sum of ratios is 7 and the dry volume is 1155. After calculating, we find that we need 165 cubic feet of cement. To convert it into bags, we use the formula volume of cement divided by volume of one bag of cement, which is 1.25 cubic feet. This gives us 132 bags needed for this slab. Next, let's find out the volume of fine aggregate. The formula is ratio of fine aggregate divided by sum of ratios into dry volume. For M15 grade, the ratio of fine aggregate is 2 and the sum of ratio is 7. The dry volume is 1155 cubic feet. Calculating this, we find that we need 330 cubic feet of fine aggregate. Moving on to coarse aggregate, we use the formula ratio of coarse aggregate divided by sum of ratios into dry volume. For M15 grade concrete, the ratio of coarse aggregate is 4, the sum of ratio is 7 and the dry volume is 1155 cubic feet. Calculating this, we find that we need 660 cubic feet of coarse aggregate for the slab. And there you have it. That's how you calculate the quantities of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate for an M15 grade concrete slab. Thanks for watching.